O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and dear ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessing. Amen. Open your eyes, all of you. Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, how are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you ready to learn maths?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. I'm going to mute you all. Please be quiet and listen to me. Okay. So today we are going to study a new concept, and that is positional words. You may be studied in UKG classes and you may study in grammar also. So there we say prepositions, and here we are telling positional words. It may be new for you, position. The meaning of position is place. Meaning of position is place. Now let me ask you one question. Johais, where are you sitting, my dear? Johais, where are you sitting? I am sitting. Tell me, where are you sitting?
Sitting chair.
Sitting chair or sitting on the chair?
On the chair.
On the chair. Very good. Now let me ask another one. Asiya and Aisha, where are you sitting? Asiya and Aisha having net issues. Let me ask another one. Issa, unmute, my dear. Where are you sitting? I am sitting. Is it on the chair or under the chair? Where are you sitting, my dear?
On the chair.
Very good. Very good. So now you heard two words. On the chair, under the chair. So this on and under. These two words are positional words. It will tell us the position of the object. What do you mean by position? The place where the thing is located. Okay. Or simply we can say the place. I ask, to whom I ask now? I ask now the question. No, to whom I ask now?
Isa.
Isa. She told me she's sitting on the chair. Okay, on the chair. On. So on and under. These are the two words here we are discussing now. Okay, on the chair or under the chair or on under. So what you're going to learn today? Positional words. What do you mean by position? The place where the object is. The place where the object is. You already studied in UKG. Eh? I am remembering when Sahiya ma'am is taking class, she is taking the pencil box and all, and telling where is the pencil, where is the book. So you will take on the table, on the chair. Are you remembering that? Yes? Okay, now we can learn once again. Okay, now Drisha, can you see? Can you see what you can see on in my hand?
Flower.
Flower. What's the color of the flower?
The flower is white.
Which color?
White.
White?
Yellow.
Yellow color. It's yellow color. Okay. It's yellow color. Now, can you see my palm? Can you see my palm?
Yes.
Yes. I'm keeping the flower here. Now, let me ask you one question. Where is the flower? Where is the flower?
On man's hand.
We can say this portion as palm.
Man.
We can say on the palm. Satvik, tell me, where is the flower?
On the palm.
On the palm. Okay. So here we say on the palm. There is no gap between this flower and the palm. No gap. Got it? If there is gap, we can't say on the palm. It's something else that we will study later. So
Yes.
if there is contact with the surface, this plane surface, this palm here, we can say on the palm. On the palm. Got it? Now just its opposite. That means I am keeping this flower here. Okay. Aiden, where is the flower now?
Under.
Now, Aiden?
Under.
Under the palm. Aiden, tell me. Aiden, unmute and tell me where is the flower now? Aiden, where is the flower now?
Under.
Under the palm. Okay. So on and under. Now let us see. Let us take another object. Let us take another object. Vaiga, please unmute Vaiga. Can you see one object in my hand? Vaiga. What is this? What is this?
Ball. Ball.
It's a flower. It's not flower.
Apple.
Apple. It's apple. Okay. I am keeping my apple here. Let me ask you. Where is the apple?
On the palm.
On the palm. Very good. On the palm. Now, Nesta Maria, where is apple? Unmute and tell me Nesta. Where is
Under the palm.
under the
Under the palm.
under the palm. Very good. Very good. Now, all of you, please take your pencil. Please take your pencil and show me. Take a pencil and show me. Pencil. Please take a pencil, all of you, and show me. Okay. Now, show me your palm. Show me your left hand palm. Show me your left hand palm. Having some net issues, I think. So, those who can hear, please do. Okay. Now, keep the pencil on the palm. Keep the pencil on the palm. Very good, Aldrich. Very good, very good. Isa, very good. Okay, good. Vaiga, very good. Johais, very good. Ivania, very good, very good. Now, keep the pencil under the palm. Keep the pencil under the palm. Okay, good. So, now you got the idea about the on and under, the positional words in maths. Yes? Okay, good. Now, please take your notebook, all of you. Please take the notebook. No need to open. You just take it and show me. Take the notebook. Now, keep your pencil on the notebook. On the notebook. Very good. Now, keep the pencil under the notebook. Under the notebook. Okay, very good. Now, it is clear. On and under. It's clear. On and under. Okay. Now, I'm going to share the screen. Okay. Listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Okay. No need to take the notebook. No need to open now. Let me show you some pictures. After that, I will tell you when you have to open your notebook. Let me share the screen now. I will show you some pictures after that. It's loading now. So today we are discussing two positional words, on, under. It's very simple. It's very simple. Dev, what you can see on the screen, my dear? Dev, what you can see on the screen? Dev, what you can see on the screen?
Table.
You can see a table. You can see a table. Okay. Okay, good.
On the table.
Please be quiet. Let me ask. Note others, please be quiet. Christabel, where is a flower, my dear? Christabel, where is a flower? Can you see a flower? Where is a flower?
On the table.
Oh, the flower is on the table. The flower is on the table. Very good, very good. Helen Rose, where is a ball? Helen, where is the ball? Can you see a ball? Where is a ball?
Under.
Complete the sentence. The ball is under the table.
The ball is under the table.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, now let me ask you another question. Srihari, please unmute. Srihari, please unmute. Which object is on the table, my dear? Which object is on the table? Is it a flower or ball? Which object? Which object is on the table?
Flower.
Very good, flower. Srisham, unmute and tell me which object is under the table?
Ball.
Ball. Very good, very good. Now let me take the next picture. Please be quiet and listen to ma'am. Dhyan Madhav. What you can see on the screen? Dhyan Madhav, what you can see on the screen?
Yes.
What you can see on the screen? Can you see a cat?
Cat is on the ball.
Dhyan Madhav, can you see a cat? Yellow cat and blue ball?
Yes.
Now, where is the cat? Where is the cat, my dear? Where is the cat? The cat is on what?
The cat is on the ball. On the
The
ball.
cat is on the ball. Here the ball is woolen. That's so simply you can say the cat is on the ball or the cat is on the woolen ball. Very good, very good. Now we can move to the next one. Now Alankrita, can you see the cat and ball? Alankrita, can you see the cat and ball? Alankrita, please unmute and tell me. Can you see the cat and ball? Where is the cat?
The cat.
I didn't hear. Once again. The cat is
under. The cat is under the ball.
Very good. The cat is under the woolen ball. The cat is under the woolen ball. Now it's clear to you all what is on and under. Or where we say on and under. Asiya and Aisha. Understood? On and under. Yes.
Yes.
So please take your notebook, all of you. Please take the notebook. Take a fresh page. Open the notebook. Take a fresh page. Open the notebook. Take a fresh page. Let me share the screen here also. Okay. Are you ready? Shall we start? Jennifer, are you ready? Yes, very good. So let us start. W-O-R-D-S. Please write on the top. W-O-R-G-S. Words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. Please be quiet. W-O-R-D-S. Words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. Words. It's one word. So you have to leave some space after the word words. Okay. Now next word is used. U-S-E-D. Used. Words. Used. U-S-E-D. Used. Words. Used. Words used. U-S-E-D. Used. Leave some space and write the next word. T-O. Two. Words used to, to, to. Words used to. Words used to describe. See, I will tell the spelling. D-E-S-C-R-I-B-E. Describe means it will explain us. It will tell us. Words used to describe. D-E-S-C-R-I-B-E. D-E-S-C-R-I-B-E. Describe. Words used to describe. If you have space in the same line, you can write there. Otherwise, you can move to the next line. Okay. Words used to describe various. Various means different. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various. Various means different. Words used to describe. Words used to describe various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various. Next word, leave some space and write. Positions. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N-S. Positions. Position means the place where the object is. Words used to describe various positions. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N-S. Positions. Position means the place where the object is. Eric Sethi, are you writing? Where's the notebook? Right. See, beginning sometimes there may be some delay for writing, but we have to write. Then only we can write in the coming classes properly. No, it's okay. Beginning it may be problems, but it's okay. You can underline this. Okay, words used to describe various positions. Words used to describe various positions. Mahadev, please tell me which are the two words we learned today, positional words. Which two words we discussed today?
On, under.
Very good. On, under. On, under. So that we can write next. So below that you can write on slash under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. On or under. And now we are going to draw a table. My table is rectangular shape. Okay. So you can take any shape, maybe circle shape, square shape, no problem. Now I'm going to draw a flower and a bowl. So let me draw a red flower here. Now one bowl. Advika, can you see a flower? Can you see a flower? Where is the flower? Where is the flower, my dear?
On table.
Very good. The flower is on the table. Very good. Jasmine, can you see the bowl on the screen? Yes. Unmute and tell me. Where is the bowl?
Bowl under the table.
Very good. It's under the table. So please complete the picture, all of you. We can write here. This is the position on the table. T-A-B-L-E, table. And this is under the table. U-N-G-E-R, under. T-H-E, the. T-A-B-L-E, table. So these are the two positions. On the table, under the table. On the table, under the table. Rifa, where is the flower? Rifa, unmute and tell me, where is the flower? The flower is?
The flower is
Where is the flower?
black.
Where is the flower? Where is the flower? The flower
On
is
the bench.
on the table. Flower is on the table. Now, the flower is on the table. Patrick, where is the bowl, my dear? Unmute and tell me, where is the bowl?
Bowl is under the table.
Very good. The bowl is under the table. Good boy. The ball is under the table. Those who have completed, show me the notebook. Let us see. Oh, okay, Adhya. Okay.
Ma'am, Aisha, Asia.
Okay. Now just Jewel Maria. Okay. Jewel Maria, I saw the. Keep it down. Drishya. Okay, good. Now we can write 2 more sentences. Riduparna, very good.
Ma'am, Helen.
Helen, very good, Helen. Very good. Now we can write below. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, Giovanna, very good. Now we can write it. Okay. Let me share the screen.
Ma'am, Vaiga.
Okay, Vaiga, very good. So below this,
Ma'am,
you can write
Jennifer.
Okay, good, Jennifer, good. Now we can write the first sentence. T-H-E. T.
Number one.
E.
Number one.
T-H-E. The T T-H-E. The F-L-O-W-E-R. What is that? F-L-O-W-E-R. F F L O W R. Flower. T-H-E. The F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. The flower.
Ma'am, raining, ma'am.
The flower.
Ma'am, raining.
It's okay, Rick. It's okay. So later you write, okay? I will forward in the group, so later you can complete. Listen to me, that's enough. The flower is. The flower is dash. You have to complete it, okay? The flower is dash the table. The flower is dash the table. Badrinath, what will come answer? The flower is dash the table. What will come? Which word will come? Which word is suitable here? The flower is? The flower is?
In the table.
In the table we studied or on the table? Which word we studied? On and under. So the flower is dash the table. Aradhya, what is the answer? The flower is? Unmute and tell me. The flower is?
On the table.
Very good. So we have to write the spelling here. On. Okay. O-N. On the table. The flower is on the table. O-N. On. T-H-E. The T-A-B-L-E. Table. The flower is on the table. Now let us write the second sentence. If you have completed, we can start. What will come the next one? Can you tell me? We are
The ball is under the table.
very good, very good. Now let us write T-H-E. The ball. B-A-L-L. Ball.
Ma'am, it's very cold.
It's okay, it's okay. The ball B-A-L-L. Ball. Eric Saji can't see the screen. Eric Saji, can you see? Yes. So please write in the notebook if you can see.
Okay, ma'am.
The ball is dash. T-H-E. The table. The ball is dash the table. Sam, please tell me the answer, my dear. The ball is dash the table. What will come as answer?
Under the table.
Very good, very good. U-N-D-R. Under. Ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. So today we learn two positional words, on, under. The flower is on the table. The ball is under the table. Jewel Maria, very good. Very good, very good. Okay, Christabel, very good. Joanna Rose, I saw. Okay, Srisham. Okay, Srisham, very good. Nice handwriting, very good. Ellen Rose, very good. Good handwriting. Adya, very good.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So we also are going to wind up the session. So today we learned these two words only, on, under. Is it clear to you all? On, under?
Yes.
Okay, good. Alangrada, very good. Ivania, very good, Ivania. I saw the notebook. Okay, Vaiga. Good handwriting. Okay, Advika, very good.
Finish.
Okay, Rifa. Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Yeah, I saw the notebook. Very good, very good. So the same notes I will forward in the group also. So those who didn't complete, they can complete it also. Okay. Let me wind up the session for today. Dave, very good. Let me wind up the session today. Okay. Okay. Those who didn't had your lunch, go and thank you for joining. Bye. The next class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.